And I must say, you guys, everything looks very sturdy, well built. Looks like they use good quality materials, as you can see here. The belt looks pretty good, and you have these little locking mechanisms here that are red. This is gonna adjust the parallax bar here. So this parallax bar is what achieves this to move to give you that nice pan movement as you're sliding down the camera. So I'm just gonna attach this ball head to give you guys an idea of how it's gonna work. So if you can imagine that we have this object here, the way this parallax bar works is you can move it. And the great thing about this slider is you can use it both in manual or motorized mode. So right now I'm doing manual. You could see that the camera is gonna turn and point towards that object, whether it's moving to the left or it's moving to the right, and you can adjust it with this bar here, which makes this product great for what you get for the price. Okay, and the way it all connects up, you're gonna hook up this USB cable to your controller here, just like that right here. And then there's a special power cable that is slotted, and you're gonna put it in right here, just like that. And as you can see here, the cable is off to the side, so it's not gonna get in the way. You can just keep your controller on the right. And I went with the wired controller because there was a wireless option, but then you have to worry about it running out of batteries and so on. I just wanted something with a remote that I didn't have to worry about having to replace the batteries. And I didn't want to bother with using a smartphone app because I might be using my phone for video shots as well. Okay, so when you're ready to power this on, there is a switch over here on the back. You just go ahead and flip it on. Okay, so when you first turn it on, you're gonna wanna set this start and end point. So I'm gonna go to setting, set start. And then you're gonna press to the right to move left. So I'm just gonna go there, and I'm gonna stop it there, and then hold it down to save. And now you're gonna hold down this middle button to save the setting, and it's gonna take you back to the settings menu. Now you're gonna set the end, so press that. And then you're gonna press the left button to move the slider to the right. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit the button to stop it, and then I'm gonna hold it down to save, and then hold it down to get you back to the settings menu. Okay, so what you wanna do now is go down to the reset setting and then go ahead and long press the middle button, and that's gonna take you back to the original menu. So you're gonna wanna go to video shot, go to auto mode, and then let's set it to auto loop. We're gonna go ahead and increase our speed here and take it up to 85. Okay, so when you're on video shot, you'll see that the speed is 85. And right now the direction is set to pause, but if you press left and right, it will switch to go to A to B or B to A. So I'm gonna choose to go from B to A, as you see right here. Now our slider is moving, and you see the tracking going on right here. The panning motion is sticking with the object, which is what we want.